Hey guys, welcome to my channel. They call me the Shark. And you want to be a female remodeler? Dope, you came to the right place. Why do you want to remodel? Ask yourself that question. I know why I want to do it. And you also need to know what type of remodeler you want to be. You have different kinds. You can specialize in kitchens, you can specialize in bathrooms, or you can specialize in both. Maybe you want to be a rehabber and do full-scale projects, a single-family home that consists of the roof, the concrete outside, the bedrooms, the paint, the drywall, flooring, kitchens, bathrooms, electrical, plumbing, HVAC, you name it. It's so many different things. Or you want to go into the commercial space. You really need to know exactly which area you want to go in, and I would suggest to start out with a small project. Now, maybe you just did your own project in your house and you got the remodeling bug. Great. There's nothing wrong with that. You have to start somewhere. You may want to change your profession. No problem. Now, I'm going to suggest that you pick an area because it's so vast, you can get caught up really quickly. You can have one project installing carpet and now you're doing full-scale remodels, 2 and 3 projects at one time. That's a lot for a beginner. So my professional experience, start out small, get your feet wet, make some mistakes, get your team, and then work your way up to a bigger project. If you just quite don't know what area you want to go into, that's fine, no rush. You could take your time doing this. Or I bet your butt was watching HGTV and you was like, I could do all that too. Or you was watching Property Brothers when they flipping them properties real quick, making it look easy. Keyword, making it look easy. It's not. It's not for the faint of heart. It's really not. So, I'm not trying to scare you, but I do want you to just slow down a little bit and pay attention, because what you see on TV is not the reality of this game, this business, and what we actually do for a living. This is how we feed our family. This is how we feed our team members. I'm going to teach you how to get started. So, let's go. You ready? I am. Cool.